So whenever you're editing videos, you don't actually bring in all of the contents of a single clip onto the timeline, but only a portion of it. For example, over here you can see that there's a video clip and you don't want to bring all of it over here in the timeline. So you don't want to bring in all of the content right here. So once I bring in, it says the editor sequence wants to make changes as per the pixel count and resolution right here on this particular video footage. So if I were to press yes, the sequence will be masked out, as you can see right here. So once I click and drag it out, what happens is that all of the contents of this particular clip is brought in, as you can see. But usually that is not the way how you work. You only want to bring in certain portion of what you have in your video footage onto your timeline and start editing. So as I click on different footages, you can see that on the trimmer section, you get a preview of that particular footage. This is where you see the final version right here, but this is where you see the preview. So over here, you can go around and play out your video, or you can go around over here and move the playhead to start. And over here, you can see that you can go around and navigate out the video one by one as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. So over here on the right hand side, you can go around and change around the playback quality to fastest to make it more, let's say, responsive as well. So let's just go around, and then for the pause quality, I'm going to say final right here, and just go around and work around with it in a much more smoother pace. So if I were to press the play button, you can see that the video plays out right here just like this, and as I pause it, it pauses it out. Over here on the left side, you can loop out the playback. That means, like, if I were to go around and loop this out and press the play button right here, at the end it'll start from the beginning again. So now what I'm trying to focus on here is I want to bring in only certain part of the video. Let's say, for example, I want it from let's say right around of this face. I don't want the person walking part right here. So usually when you actually bring in video footages, what happens is that you don't actually want the bad parts of the video, you only want the good parts of the video. So you want to select it out. So over here, let's say I just go want the face part right here and not the walking part. So I have this particular little cursor right around over here, and what I want to do now is set the in point. So to do that, you can see that set in point is an option, and the shortcut key for it is I. If I were to click on this, you can see that the timeline color changes out right here, and now I can go around and drag around right here to set an out point. Let's say I just want till the face section itself right here. So let's just go around right around till here. I just want when the person is looking. You can work around and manage out the frame by frame right here. You can navigate around one by one in frame to get the exact point that you want and set the out point as well. And you can see that an out point has been set. So now what happens is that you can simply go around and bring this part of the clip right here, just like this. And only that part of the clip is actually brought in, as you can see right here. Similarly, you want to do the same with other videos. So what you may want to do is you want to set out, let's say, in point over here for this particular video and set an out point, and then bring in the video clip right here. So in this way, you only bring in the parts that are necessary for a clip, and then that is how you edit. And that is how you can utilize the trimmer inside of HitFilm in order to start editing. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.